Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today, we did a simulation of the flexural test or the bending model of the composite beam. Here we have the ultra high performance concrete. Here as the interface, we have epoxy layer, and here we have wood with different orientation. And you can see here, let me request, for instance, first the damages for the wood. You can see this is the compression damage for matrix. The compression almost happened at the uh, upper half of the beam, and the tension, for instance, this almost happened at the bottom half, like this here. And this is typical thing because the bottom side is under the tension and the top side is under the compression. And you can see this is a compression for matrix and tension for the matrix. This is a solid element. You can see that for the wood, considering the damage. We can use also compression or tension damage. And let me now replace, for instance, the ultra high performance. See the damage for that, or compression damage, or stiffness degradation, or the stress. Now let me remove this, just replace the epoxy. Here we have the epoxy layer. You can see that, and we can request plastic strain for it, for instance, under this flexural or bending test or displacement, or anything that we want. Or in the other example, for instance, we have another test as a static approach, and you can see some variables here. So if you want to model the ultra high performance concrete, epoxy interface as an adhesive material, or the wood with damage behavior, see, with damage behavior under the flexural test, you can use this tutorial here. So if you want to provide the tutorial, come to our website. Here, www.abacusfm.com, find the English tutorial here, click on title or blue sign. Then you will have the introduction of the CLT Ultra Performance Composite Panel, and then the assembly, key feature in modeling, flexural failure mode, and then the result as figures you can see. So you can provide CAE, INP, English video, and reference paper for the materials just for 26 euros. We use all cryptocurrencies like Tether, Bitcoin, Tron, or PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard. Before payment, send an email here to us to tell you more about the payment process, the tutorial content, or anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.